Good morning. We got a beautiful sunny day here in Bowen Island. And I'm really excited about today. We're going to see how far we can get with the first one, but I think we're going to get two in, and we're going to be very close to getting our full 19 movements in. And then we can spend the last couple classes of the 12-week series that I've started up here by starting to kind of go through the whole sequence and just kind of starting to drop into it and really feel like you can understand it more. But in any case, let's first of all get ourselves dropped in by just arriving here, and of course we'll start in with our rocking motion. Let's just come into your graceful resting position. And one of the things that is going to be a focus of today is around shoulders. So really give yourself a chance in this dropping in place to feel how you can start in this position with kind of a feeling how your shoulders can let down into this, how you can get that sense of connection through your elbows, so that there's a real sense of dropping in that happens right from the upper body down through your arms. So there's the first kind of connecting place, and that's a place just all by itself. And then, because I'm going to mirror you, I'm going to talk stepping out to your left while I step out to my right. So we'll sink into that right foot and step out to your left, and as you settle yourself equally, back we go with our hands and start to reconnect through the movements again. And every time that I go through this sequence with you, these are exactly the things I would be saying to myself every single time over these decades that I've been doing this work. Because each of these places are a place of re-entry, a place where not only can you be reminded of how you connect with your world, but also a place where you can deepen a little bit more. So just feeling how your pressure comes across onto the balls of the feet, how there's a slight toe lift as you come back a little bit more onto your heels. And just feeling how that works through your legs as you straighten in the back and through the front, and just slightly bending through the middle, and how that starts to waken you to that whole Danchen area, so that there's this connection right from the feet up into this whole middle part of your body. And perhaps you're starting to get a little bit more of a sense of connection now that we've had other movements, for example, like the wrist circles taffy, this sense that as the hands come through, there's a sense of lifting from the legs and the pelvis that anchors and lifts you at the same time in that place that your hands come up. And that there's this gentle turning and coming back that helps your pelvis kind of just come back a little bit. So we'll come through, and I'm going to do this one more time. So sinking back, and as I come up, I'm going to sink into that right leg and into your graceful resting position. And then to just see how you can reconnect to that place now that you've entered those first movements.